The function f is defined by f of x, negative 25x, negative 25 to the power of x. The function g is a decreasing linear. So I want you guys to first try to graph this. Negative 25 to the power of x. It looks something like this. So it passes from negative 1. I know that for sure. So let's try to graph it. So it's coming from, yeah, like this. I'm gonna use red. Something like this, okay? So this right here is negative 1. And 0 and negative 1. Got it. So I have another function, which is g. Let me draw it with now blue. It's also decreasing in xy plane. Okay. Are they intersecting? Yes. Y is equal to f of x and y is equal to g of x intersect at 2 points. So it's roughly something like this. Just a rough representation. Okay. H, J, and K, M. Okay. So I have these. Now some conditions. J is greater than M. J. What is J in here? J is greater than M. So the Y's. Y. So in that case, J is in here because the Y is greater in here. And this is lower. J is greater than M. So it's something like this. How about the G of x is less than f of x? G of x is less than f of x. So let's just imagine, let's give 0 to x, okay? Let's give 0 to x. What does that mean? I'm talking about here. I was expecting to speak about the like x values in here, but it's different in here. G of x less than f of x. So that means g of x is the linear one. The y value of it is in here, right? It's less than, yeah, f of x. That's right. It's less. The linear is underneath. Okay, so what else do I have? H and K. Yeah, H and K. So I gotta put H in here, right? And K in here. I'm gonna put like that. That's the condition. So which of the following must also be true? Let's see. So H is less than x plus K. H right here is here, right? X plus K. K is right here. It's not D. So let's see. 1 over 2 is less than K. 1 over 2. Like 0 0.5, right? 0 0.5 is less than K. 0 0.5 is in here. I can't know for sure. Or X is less than H. So let's call X 0, okay? Let's think in that way. So in here, let's look at D again. H is equal to 0 plus K. H is less than. This might be actually true, D. Because imagine this. H is like negative 3, right? X is 0 and K is something like maybe 3 or 1. Doesn't matter. So it has to be less. Let's put a mark in here. 1 over 2, 0 0.5 is less than K. 0 0.5 is less than K, or 0 is less than K. This might also be true. I'm going to come to that. X is less than H. No. X is 0, H is negative. X is greater than K. No. So it's either C or D. So H is less than where X is 0, 0 plus K. Or X is less than H. X is less than H, right? X is less than H. This is wrong. X is 0. It's 0. H is negative. So it can't be 0 can't be less than something negative. C is also not the answer. The answer is D, my friend. H, something negative, is less than X is 0, let's suppose, plus K. K is positive. Yeah. So the answer is D. It was a little bit challenging. Maybe I had some minor mistakes, but I want you to also witness the process that I'm taking myself through. So the answer is D.